The armed forces of the Russian Federation continued launching attacks with high precision, long-range air-based armament at the military control and energy system facilities of Ukraine. Russian troops deployed near Vremivka in Donetsk People's Republic at Zaporozhye direction continued eliminating the enemy forces at their front line and seized the heights near Neskuchnoye in Donetsk People's Republic. Over 40 Ukrainian personnel, 1 tank and 3 infantry combat vehicles have been eliminated. Up to 3 enemy battalions, including 1 armored, made several attempts to break the defense of Russian troops near Koshara and Petikatki in Kherson region at Nikolayev-Krivoy direction. Russian units have maintained their positions and caused considerable casualties among enemy forces during fierce battles. Over 250 Ukrainian personnel, 11 tanks, 14 armored combat vehicles and 12 field artillery guns have been eliminated. Russian troops have repelled the attacks launched by up to 1 mechanized infantry company towards Sadok in Kherson region, Zelony Gai, Tamarino and Ternovye Podi in Nikolaev region at Andreevka and Nikolaev directions. Intense action of Russian troops supported by artillery has resulted in repelling all the attacks. Up to 45 Ukrainian personnel, 4 armored combat vehicles and 8 pickups with large caliber machine guns have been eliminated. Moreover, Russian unmanned aerial vehicles have destroyed 4 Zoopark artillery reconnaissance radars and 1 US-manufactured ANTPQ-36 electronic warfare system. Over 350 Ukrainian personnel, 11 tanks, 18 armored combat vehicles, 8 special motor vehicles and 2 field artillery guns have been eliminated at Nikolaev-Krivoy direction. In total, 323 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,247 unmanned aerial vehicles, 380 air defense missile systems, 5,830 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 870 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,480 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,595 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.